Summer has arrived, which means lots of garden parties, iced coffees, and days laid around the pool. But while summer's great and all, one downside is how hot it can leave your home. When the temperature soars, knowing how to cool down your house fast without an AC is a must. Here are 15 low-cost and effective ways to help keep your home cool when the temperatures rises. Try these tricks to push warm air out and let cool air in for nearly instant comfort. Number 15. Completely cover your windows both inside and outside. Leaving your windows uncovered during the sunniest hours of the day lets in a considerable amount of heat. When it is blazing outside, the smartest thing to do is block out the sun with an awning or shutters on your home's exterior. These outside curtains and shutters are energy efficient and block the sun before light and heat from entering a room. Number 14 in this list is turning on exhaust fans. Bathroom fans and kitchen exhaust fans draw heat and humidity away from your house. Use exhaust fans more regularly during the summer months to cool your home. Turn them on during the day to draw hot air out of your home. Number 13. Place bowls of water around the house. Water can also be used to cool your home down. Yep, really. Place bowls of cool water around your home, and you should notice that the temperature starts to decrease. Just make sure to keep them away from any electrical outlets. Next, plant some trees. Though the payback on this may take a few seasons, planting shade trees and foliage around your home can help stop heat from seeping in through the windows and roof. And the result is pretty too. On 11, try to open windows at night. After the sun sets, open your windows to enjoy the cool night breeze. Utilize screens to keep mosquitoes and flies out, but let in the crisp air to cool your home overnight. Just don't forget to close the windows and curtain again before day breaks. Turn off and unplug unnecessary appliances. Dishwashers, washers, and dryers may be the biggest culprits, but even your phone chargers and small appliances can generate some heat in your home. Turn off, or better yet, unplug anything that isn't necessary. Number 9. Hang up damp sheets to cool down a room fast. Another weird hack for keeping rooms cooler is to hang up a damp or even wet sheet near an open window. This trick works well on dry regions. This will help cool down the temperature of the breeze as it flows into your room. Number 8 on this list is to sit solo and away from others. The more people you have in your house, the hotter it will be when all those bodies release heat into the air. Create some distance between you and your partner and loved ones as you sit on the couch or share a bed, so you aren't radiating heat into each other. Make sure there's plenty of space for all to stay cooler. Change your cooking style. Switch up your cooking routine by giving your oven a rest. Instead, try grilling outdoors or switch to meals that don't require heating. Cold salads, veggies, and fruit-based dishes are good options. Also, avoid extended use of small appliances that give off heat, such as toasters, microwaves, or even your dryer. Get low and sleep low. Heat rises, so the air closest to the ground is the coolest. Try sleeping on a couch in the basement or on your home's ground floor rather than on the second story, if possible. Alternatively, put your mattress on the floor to take advantage of the cooler air. Seal air leaks. The places where cold air infiltrates in winter are routes for hot air in summer. And what's worse, hot air is often accompanied by high humidity. making you even more uncomfortable. Armed with a flashlight, exterior-rated silicone caulk, and a couple cans of expanding foam insulation, hunt down and seal all leaks. Concentrate on the attic, basement, and crawl space. Pay close attention to anything that passes through a ceiling or wall, such as ductwork, electrical or plumbing conduits, and kitchen and bath vents. Number 4. Set your ceiling fans to rotate counterclockwise. Ensure that your fan is rotating counterclockwise in the summer. There is a switch available on the fan to change the direction of rotation. When turning this way, fans will push the cooler air down towards you and keep your home cooler on warmer days. Change out the sheets on your bed. This tip might seem unimportant, but it makes a world of difference to your home's temperature. Pick lighter fabrics, preferably in brighter colors such as white, since they reflect light and heat and help keep your house cool in the summer. The material of your sheets also matters because lightweight fabrics breathe easier than thicker ones. Since changing your sheets now and then is a great way to freshen up your home, this is a valuable investment. Number 2. Use window fans. If you don't have a ceiling fan, a window fan can circulate the air and create a mild breeze. Pairing it with a second set of windows can help create the crosswind. If you only have one bedroom window, purchase a dual window fan. You can set one side to bring the cool night air in and the other fan to draw the warm air out, creating a mini current. Apply heat-reducing film. With roughly 30% of ambient heat coming into your home through the windows, one quick and easy fix to keep your home cool is to apply a reflective, heat-reducing window film to regulate the temperature. As a bonus, it even works in reverse, keeping more warm air inside during the winter months, and it's quick and easy to install. Well, you now have over 15 different options to keep yourself and your home cool during the summer without much cost.